Hello boys and girls, welcome to Learning English with Benjamin Samuel. Today, present perfect progressive with since and for. Let's start with some example sentences. First sentence, you have been or you've been watching TV for hours. Second sentence, I have been or I've been waiting here for 10 minutes. Third sentence. The team has been playing much better since the break. Pause the video and have a close look at these sentences. Can you fill out the gaps in the grey box below? Take a sheet of paper and try to complete the formation rule in the box below. The solution will appear in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. The present perfect progressive has 3 parts. It consists of a form of to have or has in the third person singular plus been, the past participle of the verb to be, plus the ing form. Perfect. Now you know how the present perfect progressive is formed. Now let's move on to find out when it is used. To find out when we use the present perfect progressive, let's have a look at the example sentences again. I give you a hint. It has something to do with the words for and since. Pause the video and look at these 3 sentences again. Can you come up with a rule when we use the present perfect progressive? The solution will appear in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Sentences 1 and 2 use the word for to describe a certain period of time in the past. In sentence number 1, you have been watching TV for hours. And in sentence number 2, I have been waiting here for 10 minutes. So the word for indicates how long something has already been going on in the past. Let's move on to sentence number 3. Here, the word since does not indicate a period of time in the past, but a certain point in time. Namely, not 2 hours ago or 4 minutes ago. Since the break, the team has been playing much better. So the use of the word since, together with the present perfect progressive, indicates since when exactly, so a point in time in the past, something has already been going on. Okay. Since you now know when you use the present perfect progressive together with for and since, can you complete the general rule when we use the present perfect progressive in the grey box below? Again, pause the video, take a sheet of paper, and try to come up with a general rule. The solution will appear in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. We use the present perfect progressive to say that something began in the past and is still going on now. But be careful with the translation. Let's translate all 3 sentences. Sentence number 1 can be translated into German as follows. Du siehst schon seit Stunden fern. Sentence 2. Ich warte hier schon seit 10 Minuten. And sentence number 3. Die Mannschaft spielt seit der Halbzeitpause besser. If you look at these 3 translations, you can see that we usually use the present in German when we translate present perfect progressive phrases. In addition to that, we can see that the German language just has one word namely the word seit. Whereas English distinguishes between since and for. So be careful when you come across the word seit in German and have to translate it into English. In this case, whether it is a point or period in time in the past, so that you can use since or for. I hope I could help you with my video. If you didn't understand something, just pause the video or watch it again. You can watch it as many times as you like. So, goodbye and see you in class.